morning, boys and girls. So remember I showed you these pictures yesterday and I had asked you how you thought wind could possibly create these formations? So wind can cause these formations because wind is so powerful that when it keeps whipping and whipping and whipping at these rocks in sandstone and the sand down here, this is what happens. It can cause these different formations. Some rocks are easier to form with the wind because they're not as strong. Isn't it pretty cool? All right, friends, so I am going to do an experiment. And so as you can see, I have a pile of sand, right? So we're going to be investigating how wind can change the land. So here is my pile of sand. I am going to use the straw and I'm going to blow through it, and this is going to be my wind. What do you think will happen when we blow onto the sand hill? What do you think your predictions are? What are some of your predictions of what might happen when I blow through it? What do you think is going to happen? Well, yeah, I think the sand's going to blow away or it's going to make a mess. So I'm going to go ahead and blow. I want you to make good observations because that is what scientists do. I want you to take a close look at the sand hill. Yep. Okay. We can see that it's in a hill. There's some bumps. There was a crack right here. I'm just going to cover it up. Okay. There's little pieces of sand around it. It's tan or beige. If you feel it, it's bumpy and it's soft. Okay. All right. So here I go. It's going to be your job to see the changes as our investigation is underway. Ready? Look what happens. Hold on, I'm going to move this. Okay, there we go. Ready? Here, actually, I'm going to bring my camera up here or over here so you can see it better. Ready? Oh, sorry, guys. What do you notice that is happening to our sandhill? See that? What is happening? So as I was blowing in onto the sand, did you notice that because the wind was blowing on it, it changed the shape of the sandhill? Do you see how it's starting to go in right here and that those pieces were blown away? Okay, boys and girls, so I want you to think about what would happen if I continued to blow on that sandhill. What would eventually happen to that sandhill? So that is what I want you to write an answer for your assignment. Be sure to type it in the text box and hit submit when you're done. Have a good day. Bye.